Good morning, everyone. It's April 1st. The calendar may say spring, but Wisconsin says April Fools. Let's head out to the barn and see what we see. I think so far we got about, there's at least a foot on the ground here. Drifts higher than that. I can't even open my front door. Oh. And of course the tractor needs to charge up. The plow's maybe stuck in the driveway somewhere. This is a whole lot of snow. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see this. I am literally to my knees trying to get to my barn. Only a few more steps. Let's check on everybody in here. Good morning, Hazel. Oh, I see Nellie back there. How are you, Doris? No babies came last night. That's good. It was pretty rough. You gonna stand up? How are you doing today, Doris? Huh? Yeah, come here. You stand up? You gonna go into labor today? Let's check those ligaments, can we? Let's see. She's like, no, they're still there. That one's softer. Let's see the other. Oh yeah. I think she's getting pretty close. Aren't you, girl? Yeah. And come back. Oh, does that feel good? Yeah. I noticed you've been rubbing your butt on things again lately, huh? Oh. Get those spots you can't get. Let's see if we can't see that. Oh, it's not big yet. Not compared to what it'll be, I think. Yeah. Well, I shouldn't be all done yet. I gotta get busy and finish the rest. Yeah, I gotta do all the other ones. I think she's starting to widen out. Yeah. She's a good goat. Good milker, good mama. She's top dog of all the goats. And she knows it. The snow has blown all in here, and poor Luna got all covered with snow in here, so I gotta clean that up and put a block up for her. We're gonna go in now and try to do that. Oh, you stay in there. I'm on my way in. Hold on. There's a snow in here, Luna. Huh? It's not supposed to snow in your shelter, but it did.